The two old men. Two men decided to go pilgrimage. One was rich Hanuman, other was poor Ashutosh. Hanuman was strict. He had not been eating tobacco or drink alcohol. He had not been speaking bad words for others. Hanuman was healthy and strong. He had disciplined. Ashutosh had been working as carpenter. He was joyful person. Sometimes he had been drinking alcohol and singing songs. Ashutosh was calm and always speaking with neighbors. He was short and slender. They both had decided to go for pilgrimage. Hanuman had busied in making new house and arranging marriage of son. On the occasion of a festival, they had met Ashutosh. They had met. Ashutosh asked, "When are we going?" Hanuman had replied, "Next year." Ashutosh had said, "We have to go now. This is summer season." Hanuman had said, "I do not ignore my business." Ashutosh had replied, "Your son will do your business." Hanuman had said, "I do not trust him." Ashutosh had said, "Teach him how to do work carefully. We should train our boys." Hanuman had hesitated. Ashutosh had said, "Work will going on. It does not stop or it does not complete." Hanuman had said, 10,000 rupees needed for this trip. Ashutosh had replied, "You have 10 times more money than me." Ashutosh had said, "I will arrange my money." He had said, "Nothing is important than our soul." He had vowed to God to go for pilgrimage, so he had been hurrying to go. Hanuman had said, "At last we should fulfill our desire. Let us go." Hanuman had suggested his son for different tasks: cut the grass, spread the fertilizers, feed the cow, and repair the roof. Ashutosh had ordered his wife, "Do the task as your wish." Ashutosh had forgotten all the things when they left their village. Ashutosh had been thinking how to cheer his friend in the way and complete his journey calmly. He had behaved politely with strangers. Hanuman had been thinking about his home and family members. He had thought, had his son do tasks properly? People had been giving them to stay and food. They had reached at a village. There was drought, no food for people and animals. Rich people had destroyed and poor people had been eating grass. Hanuman and Ashutosh had eaten bread and drunk water of river. Ashutosh had been eating tobacco. Hanuman had said, "Throw this garbage away." Ashutosh had been watching a man lying on the ground. He had asked to man, "Are you ill?" Ashutosh had heard a crying noise of two children from hut. Ashutosh had been thinking, something is wrong here. He had astonished when he entered the hut. Weather was humid in that place. Two children were demanding for food to their grandmother. Grandmother had asked Ashutosh, "What do you want?" Ashutosh had been demanding water. Grandmother had told, "My husband is dying outside. We are hungry since 5 days." Ashutosh had opened his travel bag and given bread to all of the members present in that hut. Ashutosh had bought grocery from a shop. He had lit stove. He had made dal rice and fed to them. Ashutosh did not go forward. He had stayed there 3 days. Ashutosh had helped them as their family member. Ashutosh had helped a hut owner to release his farm from banker. Ashutosh had fulfilled his pilgrimage in that hut. He had returned to his house. Hanuman had gone forward for pilgrimage. Ashutosh had reached at his village. Ashutosh villagers had asked, "Where is Hanuman?" Ashutosh had replied he had gone forward for pilgrimage. Villagers had been asking why you have returned to village. Ashutosh had said my money had lost, so I had returned. People had been saying you are clever. How did you lost your money? They had laughed and forgot.